Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and fit won't betray you mid-run. Charge the Airpods to more than 50% and the case as a backup. This prevents early cutoffs. Once done, pair to your phone and confirm left/right channels play. Next, pick snug silicone tips or sport wings for security and test with a 1-minute jog around your room or hallway. That tells you whether to swap tips or tighten a strap before you step outside. Now you dial in security and audio settings so sound and comfort last. Slide the tips in, wrap any ear hooks, or attach wings, then jog in place to confirm no slip. On your device, enable automatic ear detection and pick a noise control mode that balances music and ambient awareness. Set a volume limit for hearing traffic. Finally, cue your playlist or podcast, confirm route navigation, and enable location sharing. During the run, keep checks quick and habitual so your focus stays on form. At any water stop or light, press the earbud gently to confirm fit and tuck loose hair or clothing away. If audio stutters or one side drops, stop briefly, pause playback, reseat the AirPod, and if needed, toggle Bluetooth on your phone. This fixes most drops. If sound is weak, power down, clean the mesh gently with a dry brush, and reset the AirPods only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.